Someone's gonna get it for that noise. Why are you up so early?
Sorry, I just found a bouquet of beautiful flowers and wanted to make an eco-vase for you, but it's not working.
Sammy, that's so sweet. Thank you. Don't worry about the vase. Come on, let me help you.
Hooray! How will we make it?
Oh, I know. I'll show you. You've never seen a vase like this. We'll make it out of nails and string.
Really? Let's get started.
Hello, guys. Today, Sam gave me a wonderful bouquet, and we're going to make a vase for it.
Hello, everyone. So, is that all we need?
Nope. We'll also need a board like this.
Not so many materials. What are you up to?
You're going to see soon. It will be very neat and pretty. And best of all, really quick to make.
In that case, I'm all for it.
Sam, you're all for any activity if it doesn't require much effort.
Not true.
Guys, be very careful working with a hammer. Better ask an adult to help you.
For example, I love cutting cardboard, and it takes quite a lot of time and energy.
Yeah, you also like laying on the bed pretending you're cleaning up.
It's not my fault that cleaning takes so much effort, and I simply need a rest.
I believe you. Sometimes even I don't mind laying down after cleaning trash mountains. The big ones. They're usually left behind by one little slime.
Stop! I don't like this discussion at all. You were just praising me, and now you're teasing me?
Look at you! You're so sweet when you're pouting. Let's cut this part off. Besides, I plan to get more sleep today.
Yeah, you definitely like sleeping. If it wasn't for food, no one would be able to wake you up.
But you've managed to do the impossible. That noise can wake up anybody.
So you need to be grateful and give me a medal. Oh, guys, do you like sleeping? What was your longest sleep? Write in the comments.
By the way, do you know how long you should sleep to give your body the time to rest?
I think 10 hours.
You're close. The standard is 8 hours. All right, bring me the bouquet, Mr. Not Letting Anyone Sleep.
Here I am. What's next?
Now let's become real florists for a bit. Put the flowers into the vase carefully, not to damage the buds. There. This way. Look, isn't it awesome?
Oh, yeah! Now I want a vase like this, too.
Sam, I've got a great idea. Can you leave the room for a bit?
All right.
Sam, come in!
Whoa! Another vase? Isn't one enough?
Not a vase.
Wait a minute. It looks like...
You, exactly.
Thanks, Sue! It's so awesome! I've never had a portrait made of nails. It's a masterpiece!
Right. Thank you for the compliment.
Oh, my portrait's coming out so cool! I love it! portrait's nice too.
I'm glad I pleased you, Sammy. Sam, you're wonderful. I haven't received flowers for a long time.
Ha! I knew it. You must have been dreaming to be woken up with a bouquet.
Not like that. I wish I woke up and saw the bouquet already in the vase next to me.
All right, I'll try tomorrow.
No. Do not. Tomorrow I want to sleep.
But I've already got an idea. Too late to refuse.
All right. Bye, guys. Write in the comments what you liked more, the vase or Sam's portrait.
And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell.
Bye.
Bye. Clearly my portrait's better, right?